Orange Developer is a platform designed to help you build your services and co-innovate with Orange. You will find about 60 technical resources based on Orange's service platform in the telecom, IoT, and payment domains. These resources are already used by more than 3,000 companies, from startup to large companies, and mainly concern Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. As a service provider, accelerate your development using our API, SDK, and development kits. Discover the resources that can boost your project. Test our solution and integrate them quickly and simply by relying on technical documentation, respecting the latest market standard and the Orange community. We strive to provide you with quality services that improve over time. We work in a spirit of transparency and sharing of expertise with the ambition to boost your services and support you to address new markets for the benefits of our common customers.